Hey guys, it's me, Mario. This is the Kelty Salida 2. It's a two-person tent with one door, a vestibule. This is the rain cover. This tent weighs in at a little bit over 4 pounds and packs down to a relatively good size for backpacking. I'm going to go ahead and take the rain fly off so we can see what the tent looks like underneath. Nice and roomy. As you can see, there's a 2-pole aluminum construction in an X pattern. The upper part of the tent is a no-seam mesh. Everything on this is very lightweight. It's a relatively affordable tent as well. I've slept one night on it in my backyard and it was fantastic. The rain fly buckles in at each corner. There are little buckles for the rain fly. The inner corners have mesh pockets where you can store items. I'm about 5'10". I fit into it relatively well. I can imagine if you're much past 6 foot, it's gonna be a little short. Honestly, it's not super wide either, but it is a backpacking tent and you can fit 2 sleeping bags in there, so yes, it is a 2-person tent. Overall, I've been pretty happy so far with the build quality and I can't wait to take it out on the trail. So, this is the tent completely packed up. I had an extra dry bag that I used and it just happened to fit pretty much perfectly in there. And I'm really pleased. It's really small, it's fairly lightweight, especially for a 2-person tent. They have a shorter pole design than a lot of tents do, so it packs up nicer. We'll see how the poles do. I don't know if that affects the structural integrity or not. We'll find out. I want to give you a couple specs though to close out the video. It's a 3-season tent. There's 1 door, 1 vestibule, 2 poles. It has a capacity for 2 people. Packaged weight is 4 pounds 9 ounces, so that's what this is going to be. The floor area is 30.5 square feet. The vestibule area supposedly has 10 square feet. It's 88 inches long and it's 55 inches wide, 43 inches tall. Pack size 13 by 15 inches. That's not necessarily true. It all depends on what you put it in. As far as materials go, poles are aluminum, press fit. The wall material is 68D polyester. 40D no-seam mesh, showed you that earlier. The fly material is a 68D polyester.